everybody.
Hi.
How you doing? Hey.
Hi, this is Denise.
I am Dennis.
I am Megan. I'm from Pennsylvania.
Hi, I'm Melvin.
Hello. How you doing?
Hi, I'm Chris.
Hello.
Kate, and I'm from Paquonic, New Jersey, and this is Jarvis.
Hi, I'm Roberta from Connecticut.
I'm John Tarantino.
My name's Sarah Best. I'm actually an ambassador this year for the Abilities Expo. And this is my dog Edison. He's an ambassador too.
I'm Matt. This is my service dog Momo. She's super friendly.
I'm Michael from Eatontown, New Jersey, enjoying the Abilities Expo.
The Abilities Expos, they're the big dog in the industry.
Hoping to get a whole lot of information.
This is 2018 Abilities Expo. It's always good to see what they have new, you know?
The Abilities Expo is one of the best weekends of the year.
They have so many different products for all types of different users. Anything from like your standard medical equipment to sports equipment, you name it.
I've been coming since like the early 90s.
I've been coming here for over 12 years.
I'm gonna do it just like